Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your Instant Pot or pressure cooker in your holiday baking. So I don't know how many times I have had a holiday gathering here at my house, and there's never enough ways to cook the food, so sometimes things arrive cold, or I've made it hours earlier and yeah. So anytime I can utilize something else besides my oven or my stovetop, it's pretty much a win. So when I came across this cranberry sauce recipe, oh my goodness, I had to try it. And let me just tell you what, I'm flabbergasted. My mind is blown how well this turned out, because I'm recording this intro after I did it in the Instant Pot for you. So without further ado, let's get started on this Instant Pot cranberry sauce. I don't know why I said it like that, but let's go. All right, so this recipe is super easy. You need 3 cups of cranberries, 1 cup of sugar, the zest of 1 orange, and the juice of 1 orange, or 1/3 cup of orange juice. So, another thing I'm gonna mention, because I can't help it, Stevie, yes, that is the air fryer going. That is tri-tip in the air fryer. That video is either coming soon or it was just posted, because it's right there. So, there you go. That's what's in the air fryer. That's what you hear right now. It's gonna be fantastic. I digress. Okay, let's do this cranberry sauce. It's super easy, it says. So first of all, we are gonna dump in our cranberries, and now we're going to zest our orange. Now, I will cut the crap out of myself if I don't put a cutting glove on, because for some reason, zesters and we don't get along. So I have a fantastic cutting glove that I use whenever I have to cut anything small or big, or anything that I think I'm gonna lose some skin over. Usually that's the zester. For some reason I can do my grater just fine, but this zester, it's got teeth. Well, of course it's got teeth, but it's got teeth and it'll bite you. So all right, I've already washed it, it's already ready to go, so I'm just gonna go ahead and zest my orange right in. And you'll see I have learned my lesson. The last time I needed to get the juice and the zest off of a citrus fruit, I actually juiced it first, and it was nearly impossible to get the zest off. So learn from my mistakes, don't do it. That looks about right. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, you can go ahead and stir this. Don't stir it again. One time. Once you put the sugar in, do not stir your pot. Just trust me on this. If you stir it, you will have burnt sauce later. I know I've never made this, but logically, knowing my Instant Pot, knowing Instant Pots in general, that is what's going to happen. So now I'm just gonna cut this in half, and I'm gonna go ahead and juice it into this cup. And that's because I want to make sure that I get a full 1/3 cup of orange juice out of here. And quite frankly, this orange has seeds. So I want to make sure that I get no seeds inside of my cranberry sauce. All right, and with a little sieve here, I will pour my juice right through. Make sure I have a full 1/3 cup. And if you do not have a full 1/3 cup, we are gonna fill the rest of it with water. It is very important you have at least a 1/3 cup in your pot. I'll fill all the way up to a 1/3 cup, and in it goes. Okay. Now let's make sure our cranberries are all covered, covering the bottom just like that. We are going to dump our cup of sugar over the top. Resist all temptation to stir. Instead, put on your lid, set your pot to high pressure for just 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, we're gonna let it natural pressure release for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna release the pressure just a little bit until the pressure is gone. So I'll be back here when this is all done. All right, the time is up, and now we're going to vent a little bit at a time, like this. And apparently the reason you do that is because the hot liquid inside could burst out. I don't know, first time. It's almost done. Smells so good though. Oh man, I hope this worked. Really, I hope this worked. How easy was that? 2 minutes, 5 minutes, done. Okay, here we go. And the big reveal. Wow! Look at that! Beautiful cranberry sauce. Oh my goodness, I am actually a little bit shocked that it worked. This looks fantastic. Do you see that? Wow. Now the question is, how does she taste? One of the recipes I read said that you could add cinnamon to this, but I just thought I'd just add the regular stuff. Okay, let's hope I don't burn myself because it just came out. It is boiling hot. That's a good recipe. Oh my goodness. You guys, ooh, that is amazing. I am so excited that it was that easy to make cranberry sauce in the Instant Pot in just a couple minutes. Look at that beautiful sauce. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right, you guys, well, that's it for me. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and right now we are exploring all things holiday related, so stay tuned for more holiday ideas and recipes. And if you have something that you'd like to see, leave it in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.